Hello, today we color alphabet C and C for cake. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. So friends, C for cake. Alphabet C is orange in color. It's coloring time. Brown. Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
Red. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.